Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and overview of the Portland leather Dopp Kit and I guess pencil pouch. Just arrives like this. Wish I had a knife. A knife! Ooh. Yeah, this looks good. Let me do the quick smell test. Smells like leather. You can see my oils got left on it. Right there. Just kidding, you can't see it, but. Zipper test. It's a little stiff. I'm sure it'll get easier though. Inside. Portland leather goods. Dang. This just looks really nice. Put your pens in it. Any kind of pens. Close it up. Nice. And then here, in the same colorway, same flavor, got the leather Dopp Kit. It's got some signs of wear already, but honestly I don't care because it's gonna show some beautiful patina over the years. Got a pocket on the outside, not lined with anything, which I love. Zipper. Inside. I don't know why anyone would want to see the inside, but strap here. Sick. Thanks. Alright, so I just thought I'd include a little clip here. This whole thing was my old Dopp Kit. Get a lot of stuff for the kids. It was actually really big. This here is gonna be replacing it. I already put it with filled it with a lot of stuff that I don't usually carry actually. Just to show you guys that you can put a lot of stuff in here. Creams, lotions, the essentials. Oh, probably shouldn't be putting that on the ground, but there. Of course, as you saw in the other one, I also had a toothpick. Always got a toothpick there. And yeah, great.